The marketing industry has changed over the last couple of years. The days of having a marketing agency with 100 plus client accounts because they're cheap and then they have a strategist who just implements a strategy across all the accounts without having context and understanding of the uniqueness that goes on behind the scenes for all these different businesses. These days are over. These agencies are a dying breed. You can probably tell they've been doing layoffs and going under, and only the strong survive. And what the strong have figured out is that it's not about marketing anymore. It's about actually growing businesses and understanding how to grow and scale them. What are the second and third order consequences after you achieve a marketing KPI? You achieve a sale, but what's the lifetime value? What's the MER? What's the profit margin of that sale? You generate a lead. What are the back end processes so the sales team can close the deal? If you're looking to partner with someone that's actually going to care about your business and not just look at you as another client account and actually help you achieve these goals and dreams that you have for your business and your employees, you've come to the right place. We're not going to charge you an arm and a leg or charge you 20-30% rev share off the top. So click the link. Let's have a conversation. Let's start making you some money and scale your business.